Hello everyone, welcome back to the Food for Life channel. I hope you all are healthy and enjoying life. I am sorry for being away for too long. Now that I am back, I will try to post new videos frequently. Today we're diving into the delightful world of sheer Berinj, also known as rice pudding. Have you ever tasted a creamy, aromatic dessert that feels like a warm hug in a bowl? Well, if not, today's your lucky day. Stick around as we go through simple steps, using just a few ingredients to create this exquisite, comforting dish that will have your family clinking spoons for more. To get started, you will 1 cup of rice washed and soaked in water for about 5 hours. But if you are in rush, you can soak it in hot water for 1 hour. Make sure to wash it thoroughly and then let it soak it. Alright, now that it is past 5 hours, drain the rice and pour it into a pan. Add 1½ cup water and heat it over medium heat. Keep stirring. Let the rice get soft and absorb all the water. In a separate pan, pour in 2½ cup of half and half and warm it. Once it's warm, add in your cooked rice. Stir it gently and let it cook over medium heat. Patience is key here, so don't rush it. Stir occasionally to prevent the pudding from sticking to the pot. As the rice starts to soften, it's time to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Keep stirring for a couple more minutes, then add in 1 cup of sugar. Stir until the sugar is completely dissolved. You'll see the mixture start to thicken, and the kitchen will fill with a lovely sweet aroma. Next up, let's make this pudding special with some flavor. Add a teaspoon of cardamom. Keep cooking and stirring until you reach your desired consistency. Whether you like it more liquid or thick, it's entirely up to you. Now comes the fun part, serving your creation. Consider garnishing with a sprinkle of crushed almonds or pistachios for an extra layer of texture. And here's a little secret. You can dust a little cinnamon or nutmeg on top for an added hint of spice. And whether you enjoy it hot right off the stove or chilled after some time in the fridge, this pudding is pure comfort. And there you have it, a delightfully simple yet deeply satisfying sheer Berinj. I'd love for you to try making it at home and share your experiences or any delicious variations you come up with. Drop a comment below with any tips or feedback. I can't wait to read them all. Before you go, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more delicious recipes and culinary adventures. Join our Food for Life family as we explore the globe, one delightful dish at a time. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!
Like and subscribe.